In this presentation, you're going to learn about the 7 positive habits of happy and successful individuals. Apply these, and you'll soon see some significant changes in your life. Let's begin. Number 1. They practice gratefulness. Successful people are realistic. They know they didn't make it to the top all by their lonesome selves. Nope, they had plenty of help along the way in the form of family, friends, colleagues, employees, managers, professors, etc. They acknowledge other people's contribution to their success. Being grateful prevents them from letting success get to their head. Number 2. They help others. Happy and successful people share their blessings with the people around them. They treat everyone fairly and kindly. They want to see other people succeed too. They boost other people's morale when they're down. When those around them find success, they celebrate it with them. Number 3. They seek out positive people. As the saying goes, birds of the same feather flock together. This is why you rarely see happy and positive people hanging out with negative folks. If you do chance upon them, trust me, they're not going to be there for long. They look for someone more pleasant to talk to. Number 4. They're optimistic. Happy people naturally see the positive side of things. While mistakes and maybe even disasters are bound to occur at any given point in time, they still focus on the good stuff. When they fall into hardships, they don't let that get to them. They remain optimistic and work on finding ways to get out of the rut. Number 5. They reward themselves. Don't think for one moment that people who reward themselves are selfish. Having a reward system in place works wonders for successful people. It pushes them to move forward and achieve their goals because they know they're going to get rewarded with something they'll truly enjoy. Number 6. They never stop learning. Even the most successful and busiest people in the world find time to read something. They have this insatiable thirst for knowledge. If you hate reading, now's the time to think about why you hate it in the first place. Once you figure it out, start reading books that will help you become a better version of yourself. Number 7. They set goals. Goal setting is essential, not just for those who have already achieved success, but everyone in this world. Without goals, we'd be living aimless lives. Start small. You'll feel a rush of adrenaline every time you tick off some goals on your list.